Hi, hello, namaste, vanakkam, Sat Shri Akal. In this video, I will show you case study of 33 kV vacuum circuit breaker. After completion of preventive maintenance for 33 kV main VCB, as per regular exercise, charged the main VCB. Found B phase indication not shown. For the background verification purpose, checked line PT secondary set fuses, rack in service position, but won't shown the B phase indication. So we decided to rack out the VCB from chamber. For the observations, followed visual and routine checks or IR test and continuity with Megger and multimeter in closed and open condition. In closed condition, pole to pole B phase shows high IR value instead of short. So checked the total VCB mechanism thoroughly related to B phase and found broken off contact loaded spring assembly for B phase due to suspension lock welding crack. In every preventive maintenance, we have to check the loaded contact space with wipe case in closed and open condition. It is required to maintain the space as shown in figure. Now we will see the how to dismantle the contact loaded spring assembly in open condition. As I said earlier, we have to check the gap for VCB closed contact in open condition. For gap adjustment, we can tighten and loose the assembly. After checking in open position, we have to do spring charge and close the VCB. Now we have to check the gap for VCB closed contact in closed condition. For gap adjustment, we can tighten and loose the assembly bolt. After repair of the VCB, kept in service and switched on, then found all three phases shown. Here shown to you damaged contact loaded spring assembly. Preventive maintenance of the 33 kV VCB is essential for protecting electrical assets and ensuring continuous, safe and efficient power supply. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.